morning call announcement for all passengers traveling on Turkish Airlines flight TK034 with non-stop service to Istanbul. All ticketed and confirmed passengers, please proceed to gate D11 for immediate boarding and on-time departure. We thank you for flying with Turkish Airlines and wish you a very pleasant and comfortable flight.
I'm gonna sit over here actually. We're gonna go to Terminal A. This is a Memorial Day edition of my airport videos instead of a third early summer edition.
You are at Terminal D and
yeah.
Hold on to the
I'm sorry to sound like I'm in kind of a rush, guys.
Terminal C.
I gotta get back pretty soon because my dad's plane landed. Oh, my parents' plane landed because they came home from Cancun and now they're not gonna be here for a while. Whoa! Train just slowed down. Oh God. I'm kind of nervous that the train might stop. Whoa! Gotta love it. Okay, we're arriving in Terminal C. The music is awesome.
Your vehicle. We will begin moving again at any time. Please stay in your vehicle.
Permanezca en su vehículo. Nos
Wow.
volveremos a mover de nuevo en cualquier momento. Por favor, quédese en su
That's
vehículo.
funny. I never experienced that voice ever. Looks like the airport's doing a very nice job.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be the Marriott Hotel.
What's going on
Se
over there?
encuentra en la terminal C.
I have no idea.
Agarre la baranda de apoyo.
Okay.
Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
Okay, it's gonna be crowded. Oh, excuse me, please. Thank you. I'm just gonna stand. No, I'm gonna stand. I'm just making a YouTube video. Okay, cool. This is, yeah, I always like filming the train here in the airport too. Especially since it has all the music playing in here too. It's like I'm riding in the car with the radio turned up.
You are at Terminal C. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be the Marriott Hotel.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal C. Agarre la baranda de apoyo. Su próxima parada es el Hotel Marriott.
And we're slowing down. What's going on over here? I have no idea what's going on over here, but something's getting modernized. And yet they're not even doing anything. Oh well, here we come to the Marriott Hotel. And there's the Schindler elevators too. I filmed those elevators.
Agarre la baranda de apoyo.
And I know Jim filmed those elevators
Es
too.
la terminal B.
Alright, have a good day. I mean, night, I mean. Okay, we're probably just gonna take a peek. Okay, no, never mind, we're going. Slow train. Yeah. Yeah, I'm also also doing a video of this train too.
I tried to walk it one time and beat it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the train always beats the person that's walking past the train, or whoever's trying to run faster than the train. Isn't this train also funny too, especially when it has music playing in here also?
Yeah.
It's really like I'm in the car.
It's like an old Disney ride.
It is like a Disney ride.
Yeah, it's just like to me it's rather like I'm in the car with the radio turned up. You know, like you're just driving in the car, and you're bored and you just have the radio on and you turn it all the way up. Well, that's what this train is doing. Because the music, it's like the airport's radio.
Just can't make it go faster.
Yeah, it is just like it's also so everybody can jam out on the train too, whenever they're traveling.
You know, sir, it's gonna be 88. Do I stay on and loop around, or do I get off?
Take it off.
You get off at Terminal B.
Yeah, they're just two-sided.
Okay, somebody told me make sure I get off the right side.
I know I already mentioned this in my other videos, but they modernized the carpets here. They took out the old carpets and put these nice new ones. They're like, those gates look like banjos, or rather guitars. Whatever else I want to call it. Alright, have a good day. Alright. I'm gonna move to the back. Right here. I'm sitting in the very back now. These are all the music speakers. We're taking a peek, so I'm not filming at Terminal B until the summer, guys. All right, here we go. Oh yeah.
You are at Terminal B. Hold on to the handrail. Your next stop will be Terminal A.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal B. Agarre la barrata de apoyo.
Okay.
Su parada es la terminal A.
It's almost late, so I gotta hurry my videos up. Yeah. Ignore what I just said, guys. Forget it. But anyways, we're going so fast. The guy, the dude that was just in here with earlier said this was a slow train. But yet the train is going pretty fast. And really the train ride to Terminal C, to Terminal D and E, as I forgot to tell him, you know, the train ride that goes from all the way from Terminal C to Terminal D and E is so fast. Whoa. God, those trains are so bad. I mean, excuse me, turns, whatever. It was a mistake, guys. Ignore what I just said. But I meant to say those turns are so bad. I can imagine someone not holding onto the handrail of this train. Whoa, the music just blasted up. It's just sad that they had it turned down right now. I like the music loud in here. Yeah. So Jim Lee Elevators, I know you also filmed this train too. So yeah, I'm dedicating my videos to you. Since I know you mentioned me in your videos, saying that I filmed in this train multiple times in one of your videos from last year when you rode on this train too. But yeah, there's Terminal A right here. We're gonna ride those elevators. And there's barely nobody here. Yay! That means it's gonna be very...
For your safety and the safety of others, the airport luggage carts are not allowed on the
Okay, good.
Please offload your luggage.
Now there's nobody here, so it's much easier. Now it's gonna be very easy to film in the airport property.
Para su seguridad y la seguridad de otros, los permisos para equipaje del aeropuerto no se permiten en el sistema de tren subway. Por favor, descargue su equipaje o use
The train's gonna take a peek here
to
also.
return to su destino.
I remember this song. Okay, now there goes the train.
You are at Terminal A. Hold on to the handrail. Your next
Yep.
stop will be Terminal B.
I gotta make my video.
Usted se encuentra en la terminal
I don't want my phone camera to run
Agarre
out
la
of memory.
barrera de apoyo. Su
But I'm
próxima
gonna
parada
upload
es la
it.
terminal B.
I really love the music. It's awesome. Alright, let's go ride the elevators. All these other music speakers are too. And there's If You're Gone by Matchbox 20. Once again, these are the other music speakers of the too. That's pretty cool. Got an elevator. Wow! They modernized the inside of these elevators! We're gonna get a cab view of this elevator first before we go up. Whoa! Dang! Never mind. But I really do like the new. I really like how what they did with the elevator. All right, and that's gonna be it.